Hello and welcome to Someca Loan Amortization Template. This tool mainly prepares you the loan repayment schedule of the loan you obtain from a financial institution. It is constructed by two parts. These are assumptions and outputs. In the assumptions part, you type in the property of the loan you obtain, and in the output part, it gets you the results of the analysis of the data you input in the assumptions part. So, let's give an example. Let's say our loan amount is $200,000. The interest rate is, let's say, 5%. The first payment date is June 2019. The payment frequency can be selected from here. In this case, let's make it monthly. The loan term is the duration of the debt. Because we have to write it in a month format, if we would like to make it 2 years, we have to type in 24. And the balloon payment is the last installment of the debt. So let's make it $50,000. Once we click in, the schedule adjusts itself according to the balloon payment. And as you see, once we type in all the data in the assumptions, we can get the results in the output part. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someca.net.